All right, this video is for Miss Allison and Scott. We're currently pumping a septic tank, which is located in the rear of the property. It's approximately 150 feet from the driveway. I'll show you what we're working with. The septic tank inlet and outlet lids are currently buried. We are pumping what appears to be it might be between 1,000 and 1,250 gallon tank. We'll see what comes out. The inlet tee is not fully exposed in the center of the tank as it typically is. It's kind of off to the side, and you can definitely tell it has a little bit of a back grade. Another little bit of a concern, and I'll talk to Miss Allison about it, is we have water, as you can see over there, constantly running into the tank. That really messes with the digestive system. I don't know if you can see that there. Yep. So that's what we got right now. We're currently about a quarter way done with this pump out. This right here is the inlet side. What's going to need to happen to bring this tank up to code compliance is an outlet riser and septic tank access, a filter, which is to be serviced by the homeowner, or a company like ourselves comes by and cleans the filter every year, and of course treatment for, and this part is not about compliance, it's actually about maintenance. Treatment with what's called BioClean for septic, which is a natural enzyme bacteria that helps that tank digest nicely and protects your filter or your field out here, keeping all of the solids and the sludge from going into the most expensive part of the septic system, which is your filtration field. And over here at this property, it appears to be that we actually have multiple fields, because we have what appears to be a bull run valve right here. Okay, so you actually may have more than one, possibly two fields. So that's what we got. Scott is scheduled for later today to take a look at the septic tank and give his final judgment on that inlet tee, see if that back grade is going to be a problem, and then he'll give you the assessment. That's what we got for now. In the meantime, my name is Ricky Salinas with Freedom Plumbers, working on the septic side of the company called Freedom Pumpers. Our phone number being 703-895-4109, and our website, www.freedomplumbers.com. Thank you very much. We'll catch you on the next one.